my name is Jackie Alpers, and today I'm going to be making Chiltepin salsa, which is a blended salsa that you can make in about 5 minutes with pantry staples. A cup of water, 3 cloves of garlic, pulse, 1/4 of a cup of white onion, 2 tablespoons of well-packed cilantro, a tablespoon of Chiltepin, which is a small, very hot chili that grows wild in Arizona and which you can purchase online, 2 tablespoons of Mexican oregano, which is different than European oregano, 2 teaspoons of Sonoran sea salt, 2 tablespoons good quality olive oil, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes or tomato puree. This is my favorite brand. Pulse. Taste your salsa and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Great. Enjoy.